Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nakian Wakaf Chala from Product Design Major, Trilogy University. Today, I stand before you to speak about something that is not only beautiful, but also deeply meaningful. That is Indonesia culture heritage, especially our traditional art, dance, and theater. In a world that moves so quickly toward modernity, it is easy to forget the treasures that have shaped our identity for centuries. Yet, it is exactly this treasure that remind us of who we are, where we come from, and what values we carry forward. Indonesia is often described as a nation of diversity, or Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Unity in diversity. This diversity is not just reflected our language or our landscape, but also in the artistic expression found in every corner of our archipelago. From the rhythmic movement of traditional dance to the intricate form of visual art to the powerful storytelling of theater. Our cultural heritage is a living testament to the creativity and wisdom of our ancestors. First, let's talk about the traditional arts in Indonesia. Art is not merely decoration, it is a form of communication. Batik, for example, is more than a pattern or a fabric. It carries philosophies, moral values, and local identity. Each region holds its own motif, stories, and technique. Balinese painting, Javanese wood carving, Dayak beadwork, and Papuan sculpture all tell stories of nature, spirituality, and human relationship. When we promote traditional art, we are not just preserving object, we are preserving knowledge, system, worldview, and way of life. Next, we move to traditional dance. Indonesian traditional dance is one of the most expressive cultural element we have. Every movement has a purpose, and every gesture carries meaning. Consider the elegance of the Javanese court dance, the vibrant energy of the Saman dance from Aceh, the powerful intensity of the Kecak performance in Bali, or the joyful rhythm of the Jaipong dance in West Java. These dances are a reflection of our history of kingdom, ritual, spirituality, and community life. They teach us discipline, harmony, respect for tradition. By promoting traditional dance, especially among young people, we ensure that these stories continue to live, not just in museum, but in the heart of the future generation. And finally, we come to the traditional theater, one of the most richest form of storytelling in Indonesia. Whether it's shadow puppetry or wayang kulit, the dramatic humor of ludruk, the expressive beauty of wayang orang, or the cultural commentary found in lenong. Traditional theater is both entertainment and education. It reflects moral value, social criticism, and collective memory. Theater performance is teaching us empathy by allowing us to step into the lives of others. They remind us that storytelling is a universal human need. And in Indonesia, that need has taken form unlike any other world. But as we celebrate this heritage, we must also acknowledge a challenge. Many of these traditions risk fading away. In a rapidly globalizing world, younger generation often feel more connected to international trends than to local culture. This is not just a problem of preference, it's but a problem of exposure. Many young people simply do not have the opportunity to watch or participate in traditional art, dance, or theater. Therefore, promoting Indonesia cultural heritage become not just a choice but a responsibility shared by educators, artists, governments, communities, and of course, us as the individuals. We can promote traditional arts by supporting local craftsmen. We can promote dance by joining cultural communities or showcasing them in school events. We can promote theater by attending performance or even learning to perform ourselves. Social media can also be a powerful tool by sharing cultural content. We bring tradition into modern space. Most importantly, we must build a sense of pride. Our cultural heritage is not something old or outdated. It is something alive, growing, and evolving. It is something that gives Indonesia a unique voice in a global conversation. When the world look at Indonesia, what they admire most is our culture, our creativity, our identity, and our spirit. So, ladies and gentlemen, promoting traditional art, dance, and theater is not only about preservation, it's about connection. It is about connecting the past and the present, connecting communities, and connecting Indonesia to the world. By valuing our heritage, oops, we strengthen the foundation on which our future stand. Let us continue to celebrate, protect, and promote the cultural heritage that make us who we are. That's it for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.